Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals, some wild animals and some safari animals. Let's learn their names one by one. Are you ready, toddlers? Do you want to learn animal names? Let's start. The first one is a rhino. This is a rhino. A rhino is a wild animal. The next one is a peacock. This is a peacock. The next one is a cheetah. This is a cheetah. C is for cheetah. The next one is a deer. This is a deer. D is for deer. This is a camel. This is a camel. This is a parrot. This is a parrot. P is for parrot. This is a giraffe. G is for giraffe. This is a panda. P is for panda. This is a cow. C is for cow. This is a sheep. S is for sheep. This is a rooster. R is for rooster. This is a lioness. This is a lioness.